Hello guys, I'm greeting you on our channel, and today I will help you and I will show you how to correctly activate the promo code and get the maximum bonus up to $515. And first of all, for this we need to download the application from the official site. I will leave the link in the pinned comment, and in the description you can find our actual promo code. Next step, go to the application, and if you have an account, then log out of it. It's important for get the maximum bonus up. Next, tap registration. Right now I will choose in one click, but you can choose free as the variants. In menu green country, you need to choose your green country. Mine is United States, current value US dollar, and select your bonus on sports or on casino. Accept, and enter the current promo code is ZANOS24. Accept all the rules and confirm that I'm over 18 years old. Tap on the green check mark and wait loading for the capture. I'm not robot. The traffic lights. Yeah, next. Yeah, and after loading we will see our login and passwords. I recommend you to screenshot these for your pleasure or change it right now for didn't lose your big bonus. Tap next and go to our final step in account deposit menu. In this menu, in order to receive a bonus, you need to replenish the balance in any way convenient for you. Balance is replenished almost instantly. Guys, if you have any question, ask them in the comments. I will definitely answer them. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support. If you want to support us more, subscribe on our channel and follow the link in the pinned comment. Goodbye and good luck to all, have fun.